Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really chill. We're doing a hair tutorial. So I'm not going to do a really long intro, but I just want to give you guys a heads up in advance. I'm hoarse because I went and saw Megan Thee Stallion last night, but that's not important. Let's just go ahead and get into this hair tutorial. So today I'm going to be doing this cute little anime style inspired hair tutorial. I also insert a picture because I got inspiration from this girl I follow on Instagram named Daisy, but I kind of made it a little different, added the chopsticks, blah blah blah. But this hair is from Jaja Hair company and they're on Amazon, so you know that Amazon Prime will get your wig to you in 2 days. But this wig is so bomb. It's the Brazilian straight bob in 10 inches and it comes with 4 combs and adjustable straps. I'm normally not a big fan of short hair, so that's why I cut these bangs in it. If you guys want a bang cutting tutorial, just let me know. So let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to be using some cheese silk remedy, which I'm totally lying. See how I be getting myself mixed up? This is the Sally Beauty's version of the cheese silk infusion. It's called Silk Remedy, but it works exactly the same and it's like a quarter of the price. So I'm going to be putting that over the hair to give some little shine, and then I'm going to take my straightener and I'm just going to be bumping the ends, not no Rich James bumps like how they used to do us dirty back in the beauty salon. Did anybody else get done dirty like that? Because I swear to God, my grandma used to be like, yeah, just bump the ends, and I'd be walking out of there looking a hot mess. But anyway, so I'm just running the straightener all over the hair, the bangs, all that. And I like to use a dimming brush, especially with short hair, because it makes sure that you get all the hair and like you don't leave any strands out. So that's just a little tip for me. A dimming brush kind of gets in there a little better than a comb. But anyway, while I'm straightening the rest of my hair, let me tell y'all a little bit about this concert last night. It wasn't even a concert, it was just a club appearance. She literally was only there for like 20 minutes, and the last 20 minutes at that. So yeah, I can't wait to see her in concert because last night just wasn't it. But anyway, so I'm going to be separating the front part of my hair. As you can see, I'm leaving out some of the fringe part too, like to really shape my face. And I'm just taking my fingers and I'm just like pulling up I'm not really precise about the half up. I want it to look very like natural, like kind of messy but not messy at the same time. Does that make any sense? You guys feel what I'm getting? But anyway, as you can see, my lace is coming up, so I'm just going to take some of that hair and pull it down because I'm not going to be gluing the wig down or anything like that. That's just too much for me. I'm lazy. So I'm going to do the same thing on both sides, and then I'm going to take the brush and actually like brush it up and get it nice and good. I really cannot talk. Megan stole my voice. I didn't even get to drive the boat. But I'm going to take a scrunchie and I'm going to wrap this around as many times as I can. You want to get it like really tight so it doesn't slip, because when you're going to, oh my God, my voice. I can't even fucking talk. Megan, like, oh my God. It would be worth it if I got to drop the boat or if she pulled me on stage or something. Last night was such a dub. But anyway, this is definitely a hot girl hairstyle. Let me know if you guys want to see some hot girl outfits, because I would definitely do a hot girl try on haul. But let's get back to this bun. So basically, you're going to be wrapping this hair around flat. You can use your finger as a guide, but you just want to make sure that you're wrapping it like tall. I don't know how else to like say that, but you're just wrapping it so that the bun is like standing straight up, and then you just secure it with a bobby pin. It's real simple. It's real simple. You don't have to do too much to be a hot girl out here, okay? I also have to tell you as a story time, because these creeps tried to drug me last night at the concert. So best believe that story time will be coming soon, because I just could not believe the level of creep vibes. But anyway, Ree's cute. She's looking cute. I gotta fix the bang a little bit. They're looking a little turn around and die. Turn around and die. That's not what we're going for. We're going for anime. So let's take these chopsticks and I'm just going to put them perpendicular to each other. I like to insert them at the base of the bun, but be careful because you can really like fuck up your bun. Like you can really fuck up your bun right here. And I was fucking, see, look at me stabbing the bun. You got to be careful. And then just put one chopstick underneath the other and just fix them, get them looking nice and cute, you know what I'm saying? And then you got to go back to the bangs, because like I said, that's not what we was going for. We wasn't going for like emo. We was just going for, you know, anime. I don't really know. I couldn't think of anything funny to say right then. Wow. Okay. But anyway, bangs looking cute. You just gotta have the bangs framing your face right. Like that's really the whole major thing of this look. This really pulls the look together. Like, yeah. I look so cute. You ever look in the mirror and be like, damn, bitch, you cute. You cute as fuck. That's what just happened right there. Like, you was really cute. Oh, no, 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 no. I got me a text from Bay. Ow. But yeah, so that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys want more hair tutorials. And be sure to check out Jaja Hair. I will put all the links in the description box. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for sticking around and watching this whole video. Go ahead and get your bob on for this hot girl summer. Ow. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.